Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to send money from Brazil to South Africa. Whether you're supporting family, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, this process can be straightforward if you know the steps. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so you can get it done quickly and securely. First things first, understand the basics. You'll need a valid ID, like your Brazilian CPF or passport, and the recipient's details in South Africa, such as their bank account information or a mobile money service. Exchange rates fluctuate, so check current rates on reliable sites like Z or your bank's app to avoid surprises. Now, let's talk methods. The most common ways include using international banks like Banco do Brasil or Itaú, which might offer direct transfers but often come with higher fees. For something faster and cheaper, go for online services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Remitly, or Western Union. These platforms let you send money with lower costs and real-time exchange rates. Here's a simple step-by-step. Start by signing up on a service like Wise. Enter the amount you want to send in Brazilian Real, BRL, and it'll convert it to South African Rand, ZAR. Double-check the fees. Wise typically charges a small percentage, which is transparent upfront. Then, provide the recipient's details, verify your payment method, like a credit card or bank transfer, and confirm the transaction. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive. One key tip: always use secure connections and two-factor authentication to protect your data. Also, compare services because fees can vary. Wise or Revolut might be cheaper than traditional banks. Keep in mind any limits imposed by Brazilian regulations, like the annual remittance cap. There you have it. Sending money internationally doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you have questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.